Hello viewers, today we will solve the linked list cycle. You have to return true or false whether this linked list contains a cycle or not. Okay, so this is very easy question, one of the easy question in a linked list. So first you have to create two pointer, just like we find the middle of the linked list. List node slow equals to head. Okay, and then you just have to let's list node fast is equals to head. Okay, then you have to put this slow and fast pointer at the head and then traverse through the linked list while first is not equals to null and first ka next is not equals to null. Then you just have to move forward the slow pointer as 1, slow equals to slow ka next, and fast equals to fast ka next ka next. Okay, after that, if in this while condition, if slow equals to fast, then you just have to return the true, means there is a cycle. But if it is not found after the while loop, you just have to return the false, means there is no cycle in a linked list. So let's submit it, I mean run it. Yeah, it is working properly. After that you just have to submit it. Yeah, this code is also submitted. Thank you for watching.